Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how to use a little bit of Canva. When you first log into Canva, you'll probably see all of these things along here, different things that you can use. We're going to choose first of all Instagram, just so as we've got something that we can try out with. And with this Instagram, what we're going to do is first of all we're going to go over to Elements here, and we're going to find a picture. And luckily enough, there's a decent one there, so we're just going to move that down and make that fit the page like this, just by clicking and dragging the corner. Because of where the plate on the image is, we want to leave a bit of blank space for putting the text on. Now also, before I start putting the text on, I want to animate this image, and I want it to I'm going to have a look, not stomp, drift. Yeah, perfect. So we're going to have it drift like that, and then we're going to go to we want some text, so I'm going to grab a text box. Here you've got a bunch of presets, or you can just choose, like, normal text there if you want. This baked fresh is pretty good, so I'm just going to, like so, and ungroup. Right, so then I want to copy both of these now that they're ungrouped. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to put them down there. So as you can see, I'm alternating what the letters are doing. So I'm going to make sure that they're all made to be aligned to the left, just as it will make it neater later. And I'm going to start changing this. I'm going to put join me for breakfast. Now I'm going to make this that long, so then obviously, because it's a longer word, but I'm going to get all 4 of those, and I'm going to position them so they are, well, they already are as far left as we can have them. That's good. I'm going to tidy them up. Right, didn't want really that, but there you go. So I'm just going to bring them back this way so they line up with that. So I think we're just about there. Now underneath, I'm going to choose this. I'm going to select it, and it's going to be like I've got a radio show. So I'm going to put 8 till 10 a.m. Join me for breakfast, 8 till 10 a.m. and then choose one of these, copy that, and down here we're going to put www dot, too many W's, dot really nice .com. So there you go, pop that there, drag that along there, and take the spaces out, because obviously that's not how we do websites, and change that to a full stop. And I think, yeah, there we go. And of course, if that's a little bit on the not seeing side, then what we can do is get that into position, highlight the text, Control A, grab it all, go to the colour bar up here and choose something that's a little bit more visible. There we go. And oh dear, what have I been doing there? There we go. So, and now I'm going to bring that in just so as it's not hanging over the edge, just being a bit too much of a perfectionist there. And then what we can do, because this is how we're using this one, we can put that one in the middle. So there we go. Breakfast is called. All of that's done. So then we go share, download, and you can choose which one of these types of things you want it to download as. I'm just going to go with normal PNG because it's going to be good. It gives you the aspect ratio. You can change that. Download, and here it comes. There we go, all done.